Hi everyone, welcome to Amana's GK Globe. Today's quiz is all about artificial intelligence. 25 quick MCQs, think fast and see how many you can get right. Let's go. Question number 1. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? John McCarthy. Explanation. He coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956 during the Dartmouth Conference. What does AI primarily aim to do? Stimulate human intelligence. AI's main goal is to make machines perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Which of these is not a branch of AI? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a biological process not related to AI. Which AI technique uses experience data to improve performance over time? Machine learning. Machine learning algorithm learn from data to improve predictions. Which of these is an example of narrow AI? Siri or Alexa? Narrow AI specializes in one task. Siri, Alexa focus on voice assistance. What does NLP stand for in AI? Natural language processing. Natural language processing helps machines understand and generate human language. Which algorithm is most used in training deep neural networks? Backpropagation. Backpropagation optimizes neural network weights by reducing errors. What does CNN in deep learning stand for? Convolutional neural network. Convolutional neural networks are widely used in image recognition and computer vision. Which AI model introduced the transformer architecture? BERT. BERT 2018 popularized transformers for NLP. Later models like GPT built on this. Which AI model is widely known as a large language model? GPT. Large language models like GPT process and generate human like text. Which company developed ChatGPT? OpenAI. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, launched in 2022. What does Turing test evaluate? Machine's ability to think like a human. Proposed by Alan Turing 1950 to check if a machine can mimic human intelligence. Which of the following is not a type of machine learning? Rehearsed learning. No such method exists in machine learning. Which programming language is most popular for AI development? Python. Python dominates AI because of its libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. Which AI system defeated world champion Garry Kasparov in chess 1997? Deep Blue. IBM's Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov in 1997. Which AI system defeated Go champion Lee Sedol 2016? AlphaGo. Google DeepMind's AlphaGo beat Lee Sedol, showcasing reinforcement learning power. Which of these is an application of AI in healthcare? MRI scan analysis. AI models help detect diseases from scans. Which AI concept focuses on human like reasoning? Expert systems. They mimic decision making using knowledge bases. Which field studies how to make machines learn? Machine learning. Machine learning is the core of AI learning from data. What is generative AI mainly used for? Making new content. Generative AI creates text, images, music, etc., which is not an AI ethics concern. Photosynthesis. Ethics concerns include fairness, bias, and privacy, not biology. Which of these is an example of reinforcement learning? Training an AI to play chess. Reinforcement learning uses rewards or punishments for training. Which neural network type is best for sequential data like speech and text? Recurrent neural network. Recurrent neural networks handle sequence based tasks by remembering previous inputs. Which company introduced Bard AI in 2023, later renamed Gemini? Google. Bard, later Gemini, is Google's conversational AI. What is the main difference between AI and human intelligence? AI uses silicon, humans use biology. AI is machine based intelligence, humans have natural biological intelligence. That's all 25 AI MCQs. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Like this video and subscribe to Amana's GK Globe for more quizzes. See you next time.